Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 2018 DRZ SM. Really nice, super clean bike. One owner machine. The kid that had it just went back to school. It's getting to be fall here, so I'll be parting it. He's got a lot of aftermarket kind of stuff, the foot pegs and the moose racing guards, and I think those signal lights are aftermarket. Full Yoshi exhaust. I've got the stock stuff too if somebody needs it. Just a really super nice, super clean bike in great shape. It's got like a phone mount and stuff like that on it. It's got 5,120 miles, clear, clean Wisconsin title. Let me start the thing up quick. Clean bike, runs good. You can see it's not hot yet. They're all full-blooded, but really good bike. And with that Yoshi exhaust, I thought it would be louder, but it's really not too loud at all. And I think these lights are aftermarket. Let me just turn that on and signals the LEDs in the back. So if you need any DRZ parts, we've got this machine, and we've got parts from about 4 others that we've parted over the last year. Check our eBay site. Look down below. Make sure you subscribe. Follow us to see what else we're going to be taking apart this fall as stuff comes in. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can get low-cost parts for fellow riders, and everybody can keep riding and having some fun. If you got any questions on DRZs or other bikes that you see on our channel, let us know. Thanks a lot.